Alright guys, so you have your water heater, it starts leaking water, you come back home, there's a big puddle in the, just on the floor. You see in the back, there's already like stains, and you're like, oh my God, what am I gonna do? You go ahead and call a plumbing company. The plumbing company says to replace everything is gonna be $17.22. And you're like, what am I gonna do? I don't have water now, like hot water. I had my money in crypto and cryptocurrency just crashed. And so hopefully that's not you, but I'm here to tell you, because this is my experience. And at the end, I ended up paying $4.92 for the water heater. And I had someone help me install it for $300. Now at the end, I ended up paying like $900, and the $300 was because I wanted to pay them. The person actually didn't want to accept anything. What I'm trying to tell you here is that doing a video, and then there you got my water heater over there. I'll try to zoom in right here. My old water heater, piece of junk. Nah, just kidding. But so whenever that's happening, the first thing you want to do, guys, is turn off the water. You can turn it off either if you have a valve in your garage, or you can turn it off from the main street. I recommend turning it off from the garage, because that way, if you turn off the water and you need water in your house, you could just come to the garage quick, open it, and then turn it back off. You do want to turn off the water, or you want to turn off the water from that valve in the top. Mine didn't work though, so for some reason I couldn't turn it off. Same thing, like there's a little valve right there and it just won't turn. But mine, you don't want to leave the water running, because then you'll get, more water going through here, and water will destroy, there'll be some mold that will start going through, the openings here. And I mean, you guys could see already here that mine, possibly some water already went over there, but it's just for some hours, so it's not a big deal. But if it's like for 24 hours, 48 hours, then it becomes a big deal. And so really, I don't know why they were trying to charge me so much, guys, but don't worry. Like, again, once you turn off the water, you go ahead, go to Lowe's, Home Depot, Amazon.com, and just buy a water heater. All you got to do is, remove these parts right here. You just unscrew them. You can see right there, kind of, boom. You take them off. The same thing on top. There's a hot and a cold. You take those off. Just, simple as that. There's a little vent thing as well. Just remove it. Just move it to the top or whatever. Then you got your gas. Or at least mine's gas. If yours is electric, then I guess you can. That depends on you. And that's it. I mean, it's really that simple. I mean, it's not rocket science. It's not like. You do need maybe another person, because this thing's heavy, so you do want to lift it with another person. But I'm here to tell you, I'm not a professional though, okay, so don't get me wrong, but my water heater's working now. I could have paid, and I was gonna be willingly going to pay $1,700, because I needed the water. My kids need to take a shower, I need to take a shower, my wife. So it was fine, but I was like, no, I think this is too much. I called a friend. A friend told me he knows another friend that's a plumber. The plumber, like, that guy came, and it turned out we knew each other. And then he's like, oh, okay, well, you know what? I'm going to help you, and I'm going to give you instructions on how to install it. I'm not going to install it for you, but I'll give you instructions so you can learn. And so at the end, again, that's why at the end, he was like, I don't want to get any money. But I was like, no, man, you made me save money. Like, he made sure everything was not leaking, especially this part right here. If you're going to be installing, and if you have a gas line, the way we checked it here was we put some soap and water, and we just made sure that there was no bubbles coming out, no leaking, no anywhere from both ends. And so it was very easy, guys. It still took us like maybe 3 hours, because I had never done this before, but it was fun, and it's a nice experience. So I'm doing this video, in case because I went to YouTube, and I started panicking. And don't panic, you know, it's just part of having a home, or you know, living and repairing things. So you know, it's okay. So if you do have questions, feel free to comment. And again, in my channel, honestly, I just post on things on how I save money and how I make money, because I'm on the road to $1 million, and I can't be spending yet, you know, $1,700 on services that could be paid for much less. So again, thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.